A drive-through celebration kicking off the start of a new school year. Okatee Elementary School teachers held signs cheering on students as they passed by in their cars. The school decided to hold this first ever drive-through open house to get kids excited for the first day of school next week.
We wanted to get to see our students, build up the enthusiasm for the start of the new year and just to make them put a face with a name, because some of our students are brand new to our school and just, they don't know their teachers yet.
Okay, we'll see you guys on Tuesday.
Even though school will start virtually due to COVID-19, the kids still can't wait for school to start.
I'm excited to make new friends.
I'm excited to meet my new teacher.
Meeting new friends and seeing what we're going to learn about with my new teachers.
I'm excited to meet my teacher.
The teachers say it was great to see the kids, and this drive-through open house was a fun way to get students and their families excited for the new school year.
We've been without these students. We haven't been able to see them face to face, and now we finally get to see them face to face, and there's so much love right now.
We are so excited to be able to do this and get to see the kids and just welcome them back to the school year. It's going to be a great year, and we're really looking forward to getting it started, and this was just a perfect way to kick off the school year.
The first day of school is Tuesday at Okatee Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.